Morning everyone, welcome back to another video. I am on the river road and it's like 6 in the morning on a Tuesday and it's super cloudy out right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do this thing where I might combine a bunch of walks together and then pick a time where fewer people, like let's say I'll pick Tuesday and do the big huge vlog and post it on those days instead of doing every single day. I'm gonna change it up a little bit and see how that works. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. If it doesn't work, then I will go back to everyday blog, but with me telling stories and junk like that. But yeah. Oh, have you noticed all summer long, like during the spring, they were spraying the skies like all over the place. There was like lines all over the sky. Like every other day they were doing that. And then it was rainy or it was cloudy or crappy weather. But then all of a sudden it stopped. And we haven't really got a whole lot of spraying in the skies. It's been really strange. Look how cool. That's cool. The river's been super low. That, but I'm thinking, because I do, like I said, I do 2 walks during the day, and I'm thinking about like taking 2 days and do a morning one and then doing an afternoon vlog, and going into like the wooded areas where I know it's gonna be safe to go in. See, in the morning and going in the woods and super early in the morning, I get real scared because I live in Maine and there's gonna be coyotes or something that's gonna eat me. Yesterday, oh man, my husband started chucking in some of the wood. Man, I don't look forward to doing that. I might throw a couple pieces, vlog it of me chucking wood. So that's what Maine's life is, getting ready for winter, basically. So I hope everyone So, my beautiful tree. Well, I'm to the field where I saw that family of deer. The sun is coming up. I don't see anything. There's no animals here. It's a bummer. So I am going to walk down here a little bit into the unknown. Oh, I have to take when I get down in there, I gotta take my hat, my hood off so everyone can see my gorgeous orange hat. Dang. So, I don't know, I'm kind of scared to go in there. Let me get my knife out. Does it say no trespassing? Oh, it says no hunting. Oh, that's good. No hunting without permission. Well, I know I'm safe here. Okay, let's see. I don't know how far this goes, but check out this tree. That's a cocker. I don't know where this goes, but there's some big trees in here. Yo, this is kind of creepy. Yo, this is kind of creepy. This is cool. So I hear the interstate over here. I don't know if it just goes around. Like this is a little spot. See, this is what it's like over here on this side. So the trail's like right there. Some trees. I wonder how far this goes in. It's pretty neat here, though. This is so scary. It's cool but scary at the same time. Oh, dude, I can see the interstate. Or I can hear the interstate. Yeah. So, this is so freaking cool. I keep looking up and around. Which way should I go? Right or left? I want to see where this goes. I think this goes back to that Maine road I was just on, because the interstate's like right there. I want to go down here and see what's over here. See the trees? That's probably why the deer always goes to just always goes to that field, because there's trails down here. I mean, how easy is this to walk down? Hear that bird? Ooh, now this is getting creepy. Looks like a mud hole, maybe. I wonder how far this goes. Looks like they cleared it a little over here. He must keep this all cleared out and stuff. I still have my knife on me, ready to rock and roll. Is this like a little bridge? Oh, what? This is like a little bridge. Oh, this is so cool. See, it's dried up creek. Dried up creek. I bet you in the springtime that's hopping. Oh man, this is getting so creepy. This is getting so cool. I'm freaked out and excited at the same time. Yeah, the deer must come through here. I mean, it's probably why they're always in the fields and stuff. Because, I mean, this is a nice trail. He must keep it all nice. He must keep it all nice. It's like one of those freaking, you know, you put flowers in this. Huh. Oh, it keeps going. Looks like it keeps going. Looks like we're, oh my God. I just freaked myself out with my shadow. For like 12 minutes down this, see the things right there. This is so cool. Yeah, see how it looks like he was. Oh, thought I heard some bird. I heard some birds. See how he cuts that up? I think I keep hearing noises freaking me out. If I saw a deer right here, that would be cool. I wonder how far this goes. Looks like it might be a clearing over here. Might be to the edge of his property, like on the other side of the property. We'll see. If it is, then I'll just go back around, back to the road and stuff. This is so cool. It's getting towards the end. Let's see where we are. This is the path. Four-wheeler trail. And we are on the other side of the field. See this? I was way over there on the other side. So I'm gonna go back through and go back to the main road and stuff. So if you like these kinds of videos, me exploring around town and stuff, like and subscribe to my channel. And and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So that way every time I upload a video. Hopefully you'll get it, okay? So we'll see you on a next adventure. Bye. Hey again. So remember when we were at the fork of the road of this four-wheeler trail? And I was like, right or left? I'm gonna go left. Well, now I went right, and I thought this was gonna be like a short little trail, but it turned into longer than I anticipated, and you can still hear the interstate, but this is the trail. See, I was just over there. Yeah, I didn't think this trail was going to be this long. I hope it hooks up to the road. It might, because I think I might see it right there. Yeah, I think I see the road. I think I see the road like right there through the trees. And the interstate's like right there. So I think I know where I'm going. So nice out here. Yo, I bet you it would be so quiet out here if the interstate wasn't here. But it's all good. Because if it snowed a lot out here in the woods, forget about it. I'd have to friggin' get some snowshoes. That would be cool. Oh man, my mother had snowshoes too before she went to Arizona. Man, I should have asked her about them. But yeah, we're down to the spot. And we're back to the spot. I'm gonna check this out. Aren't these mushrooms? Are these mushrooms good to eat? Probably not, but they're kind of cool. But yep, here we go. Here we go again on our own. All right, so the interstate's over there, and then this is the road that I started out with at the beginning over there, where I went to the beginning of the trail, and that's the end of our adventure for this morning. We'll see what kind of stuff I can get into this afternoon. Maybe. We'll find out. So, if you like these kinds of adventures, like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye. So, we got these geese over here in the park. Let me get a little bit closer. Or try to. I don't want them to run, so. Look at him. Look how many there are. They stop for a bite to eat before they head south for the winter. I think every year they come over here and have a. This is like a nature convenience store, a pit stop for the geese. But yeah, this is the afternoon, and in Howland. I hope everyone has a lovely day. Bye. There they go. Oh my gosh, there they go.
All of them.
All of them. They all took off on me. As soon as I stopped.
And it was off.
Check out that sky. Look how gorgeous it is. Look at that. It's all pink. Well, with the moon up there and everything. There's the moon. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful out. Look at that. It looks pretty, but looks like they've been busy doing that thing they do in the sky. They sprayed the crap out of the sky last night by it looks. Look at that. Look how low it is. Low again. Dang. Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. And trying to get an angle so I won't be so dark looking. Today is Wednesday. So I am doing a 2-day vlog and turning it into one day. I'm gonna have it like a long post, and I'm gonna try that and then post it on days that are good, like I get a lot of viewers and stuff. I'm gonna try that and see if I don't get any more viewers, then I'll just go back to doing a daily vlog. But yo, I finally figured out how to edit on my MacBook. I don't know, it just, computers are just like, how am I supposed to do that? You'd think I would look it up online, but I just can't comprehend it or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but look how beautiful. So, I'm thinking about going to, I'm going to head to Penobscot Avenue and see what kind of mess that I can get into over there. And see if I can see anything. Maybe there's deer there this morning, but I don't know. I haven't had much luck, but we'll see you when I get there. So I'm to the spot where I usually see, where I used to see deer. And we're gonna sneak up on them. Shh. We'll see if we can see anything. Oh, the trees are starting to turn big time now. See that? Oh, look at that. Let's see what we can get into today. The cat. I wonder if this cat will come to me. No. He's like, no, see you later. I was on the other side of that fence. That was interesting. No. No, I don't see any deer over here. We might have scared them all off. Oh my word, the sun's beautiful though. They might be off somewhere else. Yeah, it's beautiful. So, if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you later. Good morning. So I'm by the docks, and it's beautiful here. The sun is shining down, and it's beautiful outside. Those dogs in the house bark every time. They're golden retrievers, wicked nice dogs. But I'll show you what it's like. Looks like they took the boat out. They did that the other day too. And then the next day it was there. Whoa, there was a freaking fish that jumped. Yo, there was a huge fish that jumped in there. It was right there. Like all of a sudden it come flying out of the water. What? Is it gonna do it again? Yeah, there was a ginormous fish in there. It jumped out. I mean, it went kaplop like that. That's how high it went up out of the water. I was like, what? I probably didn't catch it. I'll have to look on my footage, but I don't think I caught it at the time. The sun was like in my eyes and junk. But yeah. Hopefully nobody yells at me, but because I go down this road just a little ways anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna go down this way. I won't be able to sneak up on anyone because of my jacket, but I've got an orange hat today, so I've been wearing it all fall. So I don't think I'm gonna go very far down here, just a little ways, and see if I can see anything. They probably can hear me coming. I don't see any poo on the ground or tracks, so oh, look at the sun behind me. See, the road is like right there. Yeah, I'm just gonna go down this road a little bit, see what I can come up with. Yesterday was fun. That trail was... I'm already hearing things. That trail was fun. I see tire tracks, but I don't know. They look old. They don't look like new tire tracks. Plus, people might come down here like just to see if they can find animals and stuff. A lot of people drive down these like roads and stuff to try to find animals. There's a road in Maine that if you are from Maine, you have to go check it out. Google map it. It's called the Golden Road. Oh man, that road has a lot of fun roads on that. The only thing is some of the roads are really rough, so you pretty much have to stay on like the main roads. And I would suggest going on that road on Sundays, because like I said before, log trucks. I heard something. I heard something in there. Oh my God. I'm not sure what I heard. It could be a squirrel. Yeah, it's a squirrel. Do you hear him chopping? Oh, he's right there. You see that little bugger? Oh, he's got attitude. Check him out. He's like, excuse me, this is my house. Back up. Oh, he's like right mad. All right. I've heard people say that if you're walking through the woods and you know that there's bears around, to be as loud as possible within reason. I mean, you're not going to be like screaming through the woods and stuff. But, you know, talk to yourself and junk like that. And I guess it sounds like there's like cars coming. The road is just way over there, but Hi. Yeah, so, I guess the worst thing you want to do is sneak up on a bear. Like, all of a sudden, the bear's just like strolling along, minding its own business, and then you sneak up on it. It could turn ugly fast. But, that's what I've heard anyway. I don't see any tracks, like deer tracks or anything like that. And I don't see any fresh poo or scat, whatever it's called. I usually just say poo. They're probably all in there hiding. They're at the edge of the woods looking at me going, ha ha. You can't see me, but I can see you. I'll probably just go around this corner and then walk back. Here's that bridge thing. I bet you there's a nice little stream that goes through here. Oh, this is the, this is where that tree stand is. I wonder if anyone lives in there. I don't think they do. But it's quite a tree stand though. I mean, there's like a spot up there. And then like, see the tarp? I think that's been there forever though. I think I'm gonna go back. It's, what the heck time is it? It is... I heard something. Like somebody hitting a tree or something. I don't know. All I can hear is the beep sound of the whatever down there. It's pretty quiet out here though. It's 7:02 in the morning. I've been walking for 2.50 miles and I got 5,632 steps. So now I'm gonna walk back and I hope everyone has a lovely day and I hope everyone enjoys my vlog. We'll see. I hope everyone has a great Wednesday. Halfway there. I don't know if there's a saying for Wednesday, but anyway. Like and subscribe to my channel. And while you're subscribed, why don't you hit that bell for my notifications, so that way every time I upload a video, hopefully you'll get it. And subscribe, smash it, smash that like button, and share my videos to other platforms that will get more people watching my videos. And I hope everyone has a lovely day. Bye.